There are primarily two kinds of databases in SQL Server. One is a system database which gets created automatically when we install SQL Server, and the other one is created by the database administrator or by users. There are 5 kinds of system databases which are mainly master, model, tempdb, MSDB, and resource. The master database records all the system level information for a SQL Server system. It records all the login and all system configuration settings. Apart from that, master database also records the existence of all other databases, including the location of the database files. Master also records the initialization information for an SQL server, so it is always advisable to have a recent backup of master database. The model database is used as a template for all databases created on a system. The tempdb holds all the temporary table and temporary stored procedures. This database gets created every time an SQL server starts. TempDB also is used by SQL Server for intermediate results like group by, order by, distinct clause when we execute in the select query. The MSDB database is used by SQL Server agent for scheduling alerts, jobs, and for recording operators and other kind of backup and restore history information. The resource database is a read-only database that contains all the system objects that are included with SQL Server 2005 and henceforth and with other versions. SQL Server system objects such as sys.objects or anything that belongs to sys schema are physically persisted in the resource database, but they logically appear in the sys schema of every database. The resource database does not contain any user data or user metadata. SQL Server architecture, as I have mentioned prior, can be primarily classified as physical database architecture and logical database architecture. So under physical database architecture,